Mastering the game, understanding playing bottom game in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, playing bottom game. This expression might sound a bit unusual at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, usage, and context in the English language. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Playing bottom game is a phrase not commonly found in everyday English conversation, and its interpretation can vary depending on the context in which it's used. Generally, the term game in English can refer to a strategy or approach to a situation. The word bottom might imply a position, status, or role that is lower or subordinate. However, without a specific context, the phrase's meaning can be ambiguous. It might relate to sports, games, competitive contexts, or even metaphorically to describe someone's strategy in life or a particular situation. The key is to understand the surrounding conversation or the field it applies to. Since playing bottom game is not a standard phrase, its usage might be specific to certain communities, activities, or regions. Here are a few hypothetical contexts where it could be used. In sports, it could describe a strategy where a player assumes a more defensive or passive role, waiting for the opponent to make a move. In business or negotiation, it might refer to a tactic where someone maintains a low profile or adopts a submissive stance to gain an advantage or for strategic purposes. In gaming or online communities, the phrase could be used metaphorically to describe a player's strategy focusing on defense or support roles rather than taking the lead. It's essential to pay attention to the context in which the phrase is used to grasp its accurate meaning and implication fully. To better understand how playing bottom game can be used, here are some example sentences. 1. In a sports context, despite the team's aggressive reputation, today they're playing bottom game, focusing on defense. 2. In business, in the negotiations, she's playing bottom game, letting the other party reveal their intentions first. 3. In social situations, he tends to play bottom game at gatherings, observing before joining the conversation. These examples illustrate how the phrase might be employed in various scenarios to convey a strategy or approach. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, playing bottom game, and how it can be interpreted in different contexts. Remember, understanding the nuances of a language, especially phrases that aren't widely used, can significantly enhance your fluency and comprehension. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language learning content. See you in the next video.